Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to remove a pixel from Facebook Business Manager. So first, go to your Business Manager and click the three lines in the left side corner. After that, click Business Settings. Now, look for Data Sources. Click the drop down and select Pixels. Now, select a pixel you want. Then, choose the assets link with the pixel. And after all, at the right bottom of the connected assets, you will see the icon of trash. Click on it and the pixel will be deleted from your ads account. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.